So we got this Cougar nut, old school Cougar nut. That made my day. So we got this one in today for engine bay clean. You see it's got years of buildup of oil. Yeah. So here we go. So it is really dirty under this engine bay. Grease for years.
Came to XLNC to have my engine bay degreased. Terrific job. I'm very pleased. Good job. I recommend it. Recommended services.
XLNC Auto Beauty.